Tim Horton Hockey Timbits and snack. Here we go. And so we need to open kung anong meron dito. Parang nag-order lang kami ng ano yan? Chocolate flavor at saka happy birthday Timbits. Let's go. Yes, there we go. Bakit ayaw mo bukas?
Can I read that one?
Yes.
99.
Here we go.
UBC.
So we need to eat. Yan, we need to eat, guys. So ito yung Timbits. What is that? Yeah. Taste it. Okay. Yan para kay Andaw. Yummy. How is it? Good?
Yeah.
What flavor is that? Chocolate flavor. And then maybe I will try the happy birthday Timbits. So this is mine too. Okay, guys. Yow. I need to taste it. Nam nam. Very sweet talaga. One more. Yummy. Flavor talaga, matamis na matamis. Pag kumain ako ng Timbits, guys, dapat may tea. Tea or coffee. Masyado siyang matamis, guys. Okay, masyado siyang matamis. May nahulog. How is it, Nan?
Good.
Good? Yummy?
Yeah.
So, marami pa, guys. Oh. I-try ko din yung chocolate. Kasi kanina is, ang trinay ko ay yung birthday Timbits. So, itong diferensya nila. Ang daming dots. Ayan, ito naman yung chocolate. So, dapat mamaya, dapat mag-tea ako. Inom ako ng tea. Hindi pwedeng wala. Siguro, kailangan natin, magpalakas. Kasi, pag matamis kasi, pampalakas to, guys.
Water.
Ang sarap. Enjoy natin ang snack namin ito, guys. Snack Timbits. Masarap siya. You need to try them. Happy birthday Timbits.
That's so nice.
It's so yummy. I need to drink water. So, maglagay tayo ng more water para naman yung tamis ay hindi masyadong maano, guys. Pag ayaw nyo ng tea, guys, pwedeng kape, pwedeng tubig. Siguro for now, sa akin ay tubig muna, guys. Oh. Pampaano yung tamis. Sobrang dami siyang sugar. Ngayon lang kami kumain ng Timbits, guys. Ngayon lang kami kumain ng Timbits. Oo. Ang sarap. Sarap, guys. Kids every season. Timbits. Ito yung Canadian na Timbits. Na para siyang Mr. Donut sa atin. Pero medyo mas matamis to yata, guys. Hindi ko alam kasi hindi ko na alam ang lasa ng Mr. Donut. Pero mas malasa din to siya, guys. But pag kayo ay kumain ng matamis, make it sure na inom kayo ng maraming tubig or tea, pwedeng kape. Depende sa mood nyo, guys. May kanya-kanya. O gusto pa daw niya ng marami. Gusto niya ba daw more Timbits. Okay, guys. So, ayan na siya, guys. Ilang beses na yan, bebe? How many now? Yan na lang natira, guys. O, dalawa lang kami kumain. So, let's go, guys. See you to my next live. Bye-bye for now. Bye. Pakita natin. Timbits.